These rugs right here. Ugh. Looking at this on camera, it's like, it's a no.
Bruh.
Happy Friday, wonderful people. I washed my robe and I got makeup. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta like shout that out, so we're gonna ignore that. But yeah, today's Friday. I have nothing to do today, which I'm grateful for. But I do have some stuff to do actually. I gotta do a little bit of stuff for work this morning, and then after that, that's really it. I'm about to make myself some coffee. My lips are dry, sorry. I feel like I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod because I don't want to walk around like this. I'm making Jonathan some toaster strudels. He's not going to school today. Bye. All right, so hey guys, I don't know which lighting is better. If it's like this lighting, I'm in my bedroom just so you guys know. If you're like, where are you? But I'm about to redo my bathroom. This is my master bathroom. I could get too much, but I just have a window. We have a window in our master bathroom. We have this shower curtain that definitely has to go. These rugs right here. Oof. Looking at this on camera, it's like, it's a no. And then you see how like this is not organized? I'm just gonna organize this area right here. So you're gonna pretty much watch me get myself together with my master bathroom. And yeah, so last look at the master bathroom before it gets fully finished. I got some stuff I still gotta go get, but for the most part, I'm gonna try my best to get everything done. This curtain, I like the waffle kind of curtain, so I'm keeping that there. But yeah, there'll be like some things that I want to get redone. So yeah, that's me. So let's put you on a tripod so you can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, well, that's not bad. Okay, so I think I fixed that. Let's change tripods and get some lights in here. Right. I hope this makes sense. I have all of this stuff here that I have to get rid of. So what I did was I bought, y'all, look what I got. This ridiculously sized. I feel like I need to move y'all back. Hold on. There's too much going on. I opened my windows and I have this ring light in the bathroom, but I hope this is good enough right now. So anyway, this is what I got. Let me just turn you this way so you can see. This is like a product thing. So I'm gonna place all my products pretty much inside of here. It has a handle. I don't know if I want the handle, but I'm gonna place anything that I use like normally inside of there because it just makes it easier. So you're gonna see me doing that. Let's zoom in to this box. So much stuff. So let's zoom into this box so you can see exactly what I'm doing now. I can actually bring it closer too. And you'll be able to see just what I'm placing inside here. So I'm gonna just place things that I use pretty much a more consistent basis. So anything like that, the Miele, I'll put that in there. Actually, I want to wipe this stuff off. Perfect. All right, so all of these can probably go out the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna change this now. It's gonna be the same exact one, so it's just gonna be a fresh, clean one, and I'm gonna change the other part of it, and I'll be back because my battery looks like it's gonna overheat. So give me a second. Spa bath. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just remove these. Get those out of here. Where do I want bath? In bath. I want bath to go here. Like, still, like, yeah. Ow. You just move it. Okay. So this I got from Amazon, and it's like looks like a toothbrush. It's not a toothbrush. It actually cleans out my, it cleaned out my, tub area or whatever. And all of this side I have more stuff coming, so I gotta wait for it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean that side off, and then that should be done. So let's do that. Okay, so this is where we are so far. I'm still gonna like clean everything off. This area, guys, is gonna get revamped too. I'm just waiting for a few more products to come from Amazon. This is the floor spa. I think I'm gonna move that out the way. And bath with my new curtain. I love it here. I'm loving the organization. Oh my god, my bathroom looks so much better right now. Okay, so anyway, let me actually, you know, it would be cute if we had like a pull thing that like you could see into the shower. Oh, sorry, so close. But I'm very excited because my bathroom is looking really good. So, okay, because first of all, look at this. So it says thank you. Sorry, y'all. There's this little card. Thank you. Comes with these conditioner, soap, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hand wash, dish soap, and lotion. I think I'm gonna put hand wash and maybe lotion inside of there. These are what they look like. They're made out of, oh my god, the worst unboxing ever. They're made out of plastic, so they're just made out of plastic, so it's cute. So I'm gonna put these two up here. I don't know what I'll do with the third one. I have a lot of bathrooms, so I could put it in another bathroom, but it won't have the right label. I don't know, think of it. So I move these out the way. The goal is to have one here. What's on this one? Maybe I'll move this over here, but I don't want that over here. I might have to move that all together. But one's gonna say hand soap, one's gonna say lotion. The one closer to here will say hand soap, right? Like, does that make sense? So it's like a flow, and then this side will flow too. This is not, none of this stuff is gonna be here. So when I get the final results, I'll show you everything. But let's put the labels on now. something weird, so I just kind of like turn my camera off, but open these blinds. So what I'm gonna show you now is this lotion that smells amazing. And I know you heard of it because like TikTok girls are everywhere, but this right here, I wore this today for the first time. Oh my God, amazing, top tier. Go to Target and get this immediately. So I'm gonna put this into the lotion one, and I'll put this hand wash that I use. I definitely have to get more. This Method hand wash. This is vanilla and raspberry. I'm gonna pour this into the other one. So I don't know how I'm gonna sit you. I want you to see me, but I might not be able to. I'm gonna have to put you on another tripod. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this lotion, this EOS lotion, and I'm gonna put it inside of here where it says lotion. Do I have to? I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I guess I'll just take this top off. It was perfect. That's one. Now I'm gonna put my hand wash in here. Look at that. Oh, I love it here. I just finished that part of it, so now you can see I have like my lotion and my soap. So what I'm gonna do is wash my hands. Oh, it's something I gotta use my hand wash. It works. All right, so wash my hands. I love it here. Okay, hands washed, and I'll try the lotion.
Bruh.
Y'all, I got lotion and soap. Y'all, it smells so good. I love that lotion. Go get that lotion. Okay, so now that that's done, we have like a few more things that we have to do in the bathroom. As you can see, like this stuff won't be here, but a few more things we have to do, and then we're officially finished. So far, it just elevated my bathroom. Like what hotel are you staying at? You know, that's what makes me feel like. I love organized. I love it here. I'm gonna check to see where my other Amazon packages, and once I find that, then we can do the last thing. But my husband's gonna have to help me with that, and then we'll be like officially finished. So I think I want to get like paintings, and because the bathroom is like neutral colors, I want to do like maybe, I don't know, green or something like that. So I gotta find it. But besides that, that's it. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. I'm looking rough, but it's fine. So let me turn this way. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Actually, I could turn these lights because it's broad daylight. Maybe it'll look better. Yeah, that lighting is much better. All right, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is wrapping up the vlog. We actually just had our cleaning people come and clean up the house. So I'm gonna show you the final reveal of our bathroom. Do I love it? Yeah, I think it looks really good. And I'll just go through like a little by little to show you what we did. So starting off with this back area. This right here I just got from Home Goods for $12.99. Everything is linked below, and I have prices for everything. So inside of here we just put toilet paper. We have like this facial toner. It's supposed to like wipe your bum. We have Poo-Pourri and some wipes here. That's like right above the toilet, and it just looks a lot better. So the curtain is still very wrinkled, but it is finally done. So this, hopefully the wrinkles will eventually come out. I mean, I could also steam it, but I just did not steam it. These are my rugs. So it says bath. I've been using this for quite a few days. And then spa bath, looks so cute. And then this is the actual top of the sink. So on the sink, this is from Birdbell. And it's gonna light on now probably. Okay. So this is from Birdbell. It has all my products in it. Just makes everything so much more organized, so much cleaner, aesthetically pleasing. I have floss in there. There's little heart patches or heart sponges. Then I have my hand wash and my soap. We've been loving these lately. Then I have, this is my toothbrush and toothpaste that I've been using. This is a Target candle. It's actually from Yankee Candle, and I guess Target sells it as well. It's Peace and Tranquility, and it smells really, really good. And then this is just my Q-tips, sponges, and like facial pads, I guess. So yeah, that is my full bathroom makeover. I wanted to like let you guys know. We're gonna just do a slow-mo version of the bathroom so you can see it, and then that's it. This will wrap up this vlog. You will see it tomorrow. I'm looking a hot mess, but whatever. I'll talk to you guys later.
Until my well runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain. Until you reach my feet, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, blow, blow, blow. Hold me till I scream or breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And we try